This will not be Lucky Joe. Lucky Joe, wait. Oh, I think I see tell her say no be a mass. I must walk follow this way today.
The earlier we
wait. I don't follow everywhere, sis Lucky Joe. No, okay. Never supermarket you go buy water. Lucky Joe, no go water for us again.
You know what happen today. You know what happen. Kenny Blackie, he don't do birthday today. He and a lovely wife. People they beg give them, so they buy motor, they buy different kind of things. I don't get money now. See me I go buy water for her. You know say I'm so cause today na his birthday.
Okay, Lucky Joe, now you know say you touch with Mrs. Now you put this water for head, and you know even carry your face mask.
what?
You know see you now you don't forget face mask again.
Jesus!
Yes.
You know you can be prosecuted for that. In Jesus is Lord. Apostle will hear of this.
I beg when I go wish Kenny Blackie happy birthday.
Lucky Joe, boss us again. No place for this one.
I hear me, tell me, bad me.